Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys, I like to show you to fix this problem where your switch tool is looking like this. Now as you can see, the screen looks exactly like this in terms of it is totally grayed out, meaning everything is gray. And don't worry, your switch is not broken, it can easily be fixed and this tutorial will show you how. Alright, so first of all, let me show you that it's totally gray. The games are gray when you're playing, everything is gray. The menus are gray. So for example, if I go into any option on screen, it's totally gray. Everything, including the menus, including the settings menu, everything is simply gray, like an old TV set. All right. So what's happening to your device is that a feature is on that's called grayscale, and it needs to be turned off. It could have been turned on out of error, meaning somebody was playing around with the settings, such as a child, and they turned on this feature and the screen looks totally black and white. All right, so in order to fix this, now that I've explained it, go to settings or system settings. All right, so once you're in system settings, you're going to scroll down. All right, so you're going to scroll all the way down. You're going to search for this option that's called accessibility. That's right there. All right, so once you're in accessibility, you're going to go ahead and select accessibility. All right, and now the option you're looking for, you're going to scroll down here that it says change display color. All right, you're going to tap on that. And here that it says grayscale, you're going to change it to default. All right, there you go. It's now fixed. To confirm that it's fixed, go ahead and hit B to go back. And there is your switch to again. And I'm sure you're happy right now. So of course, keep that in mind that the settings can be turned on in error, especially for kids who sometimes go around and select stuff without realizing. All right, so the system is not broken, and we know these things are very expensive. So the last thing you want is for this thing to be broken, or you have to repair the screen. All right, so nothing is wrong with the screen. The device is back up. If you like this guide or it has helped you, please comment, please leave a like, and you can also subscribe if you would like. And this is Ricardo with just tips and tricks and stuff related to your gadgets and how to fix them. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.